I come out and I support me and bad mind. I wonder what's so special with a man. Yeah. Tidal wave, you know, see up under the cabana.
Teach, sweet say you're special, but you're very average. You sing about killing, we are real savage.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I mean, no son savage when I give one a chance, but it's that's no. Nothing me chopper, Sako no matter.
Tivoli, boy, I'm made up, bro. Cross like the thing we kill Christ, get semini. No mercy for me enemy.
So when me there, I think Vybes Cartel done with Alkaline and they have their differences. You see me, cause what the MC Vybes Cartel come out and him put out a thing on him Instagram about Spotify JB, the most view one in Jamaica. You see me, and he sound like him the depressant thing, and I say, yo, him no business at all. Him just want to say a Jamaica artist. Now Vybes Cartel put out this viewers and subscribers a conversation. It seems like he is having with someone. I guess it's a Gaza fans. See what the person say, yeah, viewers and subscribers, and him kind of texting a part too. So if you hear anything, you know anything go. Nah, them just need to influence them artists where them claim at the DJ make nobody no see them. Them figure learn to be the driver of the car and stop hiding their potential being a passenger. The world big enough for everybody. Them fi stop watch the DJ and pay them homage. Gaza done. So that person I say, yo, them fi pay some homage to Vybes Cartel. So Vybes Cartel react to it, viewers and subscribers. I'm glad you understand, family. They are acting like I force the people globally to give me legendary status while giving them cartel clowns status. You get what you put in. So Vybes Cartel I say, yo, we create it. We don't know the Gaza Vybes there. So this shows the Vybes Cartel still a pre-Alkaline wicked people, because obviously Alkaline them attack this, and what Vybes Cartel is pre-Alkaline for is this way him say a couple of years ago on an on-stage interview with Winfred Williams.
For you.
But all my friends respect me there before.
Okay.
As I said before, there's some people that try, like them I try turn people against me and I try make it seem like that youth and everybody, or that youth are disrespectful just because I say what them I say. That's when I say, them want me to say something, and I not say. Is that what I say?
What did they want you to say?
What everybody I say.
Which is?
Read between the lines.
Okay then. Alright. I will take a little doing here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You get it, man.
Yeah.
So viewers and subscribers, I'm not sure I go on this, so Alkaline, so smart Alkaline using brain. True off. Winfred there, so tell him say, yo, yeah man, where everybody I say. So I said thing Vybes Cartel I can say that takes you now, and he also made some more. My legend status and mad them angel. So Vybes Cartel attack to the person. You can't say him Gaza angel. Like I me tell the foreign people say don't rate them. That's what Vybes Cartel reacted and say that, and the angel, not the angel reply back and say that I'm mad them. So you can say I just somebody spoken around and yeah say some bag of things. Yes,
Look dog when shots start back na your shirt. All the man pan the donkey chuck off and the polo.
And they see me and nothing normal, like a type of passport, you know.
I'd not see you, now send your boy even down a hell where I bring you and be like Luciana, Spencer 10.
People now we know when Vybes Cartel come out and say, yo, all the man pan the donkey make chuck off of the polo. We know who in the talk. Yo, Vybes Cartel claim say, yo, no matter what, he might be down in a lockup, locked down, but him nag, he's up a bumbo. Rascal. The man decides, say, yo, here one now. And him still around the place. You see viewers and subscribers, we know so them young guns are forward out, and a great artist them cause them a put in the work. If them then a put in the work, them would reach for them there now, and we would do they start talk about them. So now the people must say, yo, the young guns them kick with Vybes Cartel out of dancer. Not physically kick them and the whole of the Gaza fans them, but them the people them a talk about now. So people want to load the comment section to them on anything. The people must say, yo, you see from 2021 coming, you see artist names King.
Them black. When we pull up, them have to run left that.
A good artist and Jashi, because King come out and change the game, him and Jashi. King a collab with a whole heap of people, and Jashi just did there motivate the young youths them. So he's like these people. One of them are like this.
Me a boy with my mother for brother. Elevate my circle and no more chance.
He's a great artist. He's a youth where I go motivate the youths, them. You see me? You don't notice no matter him do the bad man song, them not hit like the song them like. Oh, sabil up. Beast a go drop. You see me, so that one ya of the youths them. Sking. The girl them love Sking and them love the gunman style. The guns them over there so I feel the warmonger. Hey boy, the rough voice. So them I say yo them youth take it and then them the people I say right now. They don't know Vybes Cartel now left himself out and nothing no matter how long him there. Vybes Cartel decide say yo here we go on now. Even though him not really to mess them young youth yeah. But Alkaline, you see me I like intense. Yeah man, him a pre them hard man cause I say here we go on now say for me your enemy. Me a your enemy right through, you know.
Cross like the thing we kill Christ, get send me. No mercy for me enemy. Cheap black.
Alright, so them thing I make blood clot Vybes Cartel eat Alkaline. Because you see Alkaline is different from the rest of artists, them.
We do it first, cause them soft like lotion and we.
So yeah, people, Alkaline been flinging subliminals and make we know say, yo, Jamaica the whole world. Me change this blood clot game here. And me first come out and show them say, yo, we not have to look up to no Vybes Cartel, no dancer, not have to be like that, you know, and one way go, you know. Me first I go come out and I not show no respect over this to that specific person. And I go make everybody hate me and then it will just become a victory to me. So obviously Vybes Cartel fans and Vybes Cartel been saying that Alkaline around his Vybes Cartel clout. You see me, yeah man. And I don't know if I not hear that na Alkaline vibe. Sound like Alkaline change out. Maybe that do it back then, but now him create find him own style. You see me? Yeah man, remember Alkaline say no man, he was a little youth when he grew up, you know man, young. You see me? Yeah man, he have just do a little thing, but the people them they accept him. He put it in all of them song them, you know, viewers and subscribers. Very smart youth, you know, we understand the game. So now that he intends see it and say, oh. You know, say that Alkaline do, so I'm have to look up to the brother they over there so you know, so him become Vybes Cartel enemy too. Alkaline intense. You see me people so. Yeah man. So Vybes Cartel make we know say yo, him not rate them. Man fi give him back him style the one day with the polo. Yeah man, him go shut off the polo. Him not deal with no polo. You see me? So it's like you never see Alkaline and Clarks. No, he might used to beat you when he got school, but you never see the man there posting the Clarks. King them love the Clarks. Yes, kind of Vybes Cartel build it, but I make it dip on a height and thing. You see me? So the young guns them try to change up the game, change up the dance or a chop down and beating. But Vybes Cartel make them know say yo him there said way no matter what. I run off place. Only time when I think about this. You see me come here pan them and say no Alkaline done. Shell out Vybes Cartel head already in a one clash, you know. You see me? And Cartel run and can't find a song in a one part I sell there. You see me? Yeah man, when he goes a boop and Cartel fire man, the dog I say, yo, watch his style no. No shot can go, no corner, no idiot boy. That I go ricochet. Shell out in your head. Watch him to know. Only bad in front of the camera. You see me? It's like Alkaline I use that based on what go on with all him code case and the voice note. Like him say Cartel only body in front of camera. Cartel make him know say yo, you know. Hey boy, me a close chapstick me again no man. You see me? Them boy they were big and full from them still a go school cause you know say yo Alkaline used to company wipe and they come forward for the school challenge quiz and thing in a conquer the world. I say yo my name is Leonard Bartley or Erland Bartley and Erland I must say you see me people not Leonard a bounty Erland Bartley and in the future I would like to become a this. So Cartel see it and I say oh what is like a fool yeah, man. You know, so that nerd that in a glass and knock him out and put him in the close chapstick. So, tell me what you think, viewers and subscribe about this. When you think a Cartel still run off the place, or you feel like you just shit, and King of them do it right now at this moment. You see me? Yeah, man. Me give to King and Joshy. And tell me what you think. Vendetta fans them still as a Vendetta, Cartel fans them. As you can see them I go back and forth on Instagram in a message. And gossip as to shot Cartel to come fire off Alkaline a 2 song. You see me? Yeah man, we don't want to see nothing in a comment. You see it, viewers and subscribers, if them a war. People must say, oh, a massacre Alkaline because they don't see nobody qualify and Cartel them hold them tired out. Him and mother they don't war already. Allow it to somebody else. Yeah, make massacre Alkaline build them name, make it whole Jamaica run out and sting up back.